How to forward voice messages on Instagram. First, you have to launch your Instagram application. And then here you just have to tap any conversation. And for example, you have or you wanted to send a voice message to someone. All you have to do is to tap this microphone icon and then hold and release. Now, the question is, how are you going to forward a voice message on Instagram? Unfortunately, you cannot see any options here that says share or forward your voice message, only and send message and like. Maybe before the feature was there, but now Instagram has removed this feature. So what you're going to do now to forward this voice message is to simply record your message. I mean, you just have to open this recorder so that you can easily record everything here, especially the voice message. And then once you're done with your recording, you can simply go to your file manager or files and then locate that voice recorder or voice message. Okay, for example, this one, you just have to go to audio and then all you have to do is to long press that audio and then click this share icon here. Now you can share this voice message from Instagram to any of your social media platform. And that's how easy it is to forward voice messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.